Welcome back, learners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook video history. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and smash subscribe for more videos like it. Go ahead and open up Facebook and go to the top right-hand side part of the screen where you see three horizontal lines. That's your menu. Click on Menu. From this page, you want to scroll down to the bottom where it says Settings and Privacy. Second one up from the bottom, open it up, and then you're going to want to click on Settings. Here you can see account settings, security settings, privacy settings, and Facebook information settings. That's the section we're looking for. Second part down in your Facebook information settings is the activity log. Click on Activity Log. From this page, you can see all of the activity you have on Facebook. To filter to find your videos, click on the top left-hand side where it says Filters. You can filter by category and by date. Click on Categories. Here you can find your posts, your tags, interactions, and so on and so forth. To find your Facebook video history, click on the top part where it says Your Posts, open that up, and then go to Photos and Videos. Click on Photos and Videos. And here you can see all the photos and your entire video history on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for the next one for more cool tricks on how to master social media and marketing. Take care.